something unusual is happening in the world right now. For the first time in history, ordinary people have access to tools that were once reserved for large companies, elite engineers, and massive corporations. Artificial intelligence is quietly removing barriers that used to separate everyday workers from extreme wealth. And most people still do not realize how big this shift really is. We are not just talking about faster tools or better software, we are talking about a complete change in how money is created. Because when intelligence becomes cheap, scalable, and available to everyone, the rules of building wealth start to change completely. In the past, becoming rich usually required one of three things. You either needed capital, meaning money to invest, you needed connections, meaning access to powerful networks, or you needed time working for decades to slowly build income. But AI is now disrupting all three of these paths at the same time. Today, one person with no employees, no office, and no big budget can build a business, create content, design products, and reach a global audience. That was almost impossible just a few years ago, but now it is becoming normal. The key idea behind this shift is leverage. Wealth has always been created through leverage. In the past, people used physical labor as leverage, then machines became leverage, then software became leverage. And now artificial intelligence is becoming the most powerful form of leverage humanity has ever seen. Because AI allows one person to do the work of many. Let's start with one of the simplest ways AI is making ordinary people rich: content creation. A few years ago, building a media brand required teams of writers, editors, designers, and marketers. Today, a single person can use AI tools to generate scripts, create voiceovers, design thumbnails, edit videos, and publish content across multiple platforms. What used to take a full company can now be done from a laptop. This has created a new type of opportunity economy on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Individuals who understand how to use AI tools effectively can produce content at scale, test ideas quickly, and reach millions of viewers without needing traditional production budgets. And when attention increases, money follows. Advertising revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital products are all monetization paths that become more powerful when content creation is automated with AI. This means a single creator today can potentially build an income stream that used to require an entire media company. But content is only the beginning. Another major way AI is creating wealth for ordinary people is through digital entrepreneurship. In the past, starting a business required technical skills, hiring employees, and investing large amounts of money up front. Today, AI tools can help with almost every step. You can use AI to research ideas, write business plans, design websites, create marketing campaigns, and even handle customer support. For example, someone can start an online store without knowing coding, design, or advertising. AI can generate product descriptions, create branding, and even run ad copy testing. This dramatically lowers the barrier to entry for entrepreneurship. And when barriers go down, participation goes up. That means more people can try, more ideas can be tested, and more opportunities can be discovered. But there is an even more powerful shift happening underneath all of this: automation of skills. AI is turning skills into systems. Writing is becoming automated. Design is becoming automated. Coding is becoming automated. Research is becoming automated. And even parts of business decision-making are becoming assisted by AI systems. This does not mean humans become useless. It means humans become supervisors of systems instead of manual workers inside systems. And supervisors scale better than workers. One person managing AI systems can outperform teams of people doing manual work. That creates a massive opportunity for individuals who learn how to coordinate AI tools effectively. In other words, the new skill is not doing everything yourself. The new skill is knowing how to direct AI to do the work for you. This is where many ordinary people will start to build real wealth. Because when productivity increases, income potential increases. Let's talk about another major opportunity: freelancing and remote work. AI is completely changing the freelance economy. In the past, freelancers competed based on speed and skill. But now AI allows individuals to deliver higher quality work in less time. A freelance writer can produce more content. A designer can generate more variations. A marketer can test more campaigns. A developer can build more features. This means freelancers who use AI effectively can outperform competitors who do not. And in competitive markets, small advantages compound into major income differences over time. Some freelancers are already using AI to multiply their output by 5x, 10x, or even more. And in a global marketplace, that kind of productivity advantage translates directly into higher earnings. But there's also a deeper opportunity emerging: micro businesses powered by AI. These are extremely small companies, sometimes run by just one person, that generate income by using AI to automate nearly everything. Imagine one person running a content channel, an online store, a newsletter, and a digital product business all at the same time. A few years ago, that would have been impossible. Today, AI makes it realistic. These micro businesses are powerful because they combine automation with scale, and scale is what creates wealth. Another important area is education and digital products. AI allows people to create courses, ebooks, guides, and training materials much faster than before. Someone with knowledge in any field can turn that knowledge into a product using AI assistance. And once a digital product is created, it can be sold repeatedly without additional work. That is another form of leverage. 1 hour of creation can turn into years of income. Now there is an important psychological shift happening too. AI is changing what people believe is possible. In the past, many people assumed wealth creation required rare talent or special access. But AI is lowering the skill gap. It is not eliminating effort, but it is multiplying the output of effort. This means consistency becomes more important than perfection. People who experiment daily, learn AI tools, and apply them creatively will slowly separate from those who do not. But there is also a warning hidden inside this opportunity. When everyone has access to powerful tools, competition increases. That means the winners will not just be people who use AI. The winners will be people who use AI better than others. They will think faster, test more ideas, and adapt more quickly. Because AI rewards speed of execution. And that brings us to the most important point of all, timing. Right now, we are still early in the AI revolution. Many people are not fully using these tools yet. That creates a temporary advantage window. Historically, the biggest wealth shifts happened during these early adoption phases. When the internet was new, early creators became wealthy. When social media was new, early influencers built massive audiences. When mobile apps were new, early developers made fortunes. AI is currently in that same phase. And this is why ordinary people have a real chance to become wealthy in this moment. Not because AI guarantees success, but because it multiplies opportunity. It lowers costs, increases output, and expands access to global markets. A single person can now build like a company. A small idea can scale globally, and a simple skill can become a full-time income stream. The gap between having an idea and building something real has never been smaller. But the gap between people who use AI and people who do not is getting bigger every day. And that gap may define the next generation of wealth. So the real question is not whether AI can make ordinary people rich. It already can. The real question is who will actually use it to change their life before the opportunity becomes normal for everyone else.